We also find many, many examples of this. This is an astronomical observatory. In this case, arguably the oldest astronomical observatory in the history of humanity. Scholars believe somewhere between 7,000 and 9,000 BC. So possibly as old as 11,000 years ago. Two American physicists called Thomas Brophy and Robert Bouval wrote a fantastic book called Black Genesis, looking at the relationship between this astronomical observatory and the evolution of the ancient Egyptian religion and subsequent civilization. Next slide.
The Nabta Playa. The Nubian Empire was established in 4800 BC. The Nubian Empire was located in northeastern Africa in the area which is today known as Sudan. Later, the capitals of the Nubian Empire would be Kerma, Napata, and Meroe. Now, the ancient Nubians were known to have deeply studied astronomy. Astronomy is the scientific study of the cosmos, which includes the analysis of star systems, planets, moons, and galaxies. These Africans studied the stars and developed detailed astronomical knowledge, which they documented in monuments and artifacts. The Nubians also tracked the precession of the stars and their movements. One of the more well-known astronomical monuments they created is the Nabta Playa, which is also known as the world's oldest astronomical observatory. The Nabta Playa complex is located near Nabta in the Nubian Desert in East Africa. The Nabta Playa consists of a series of stone circles, stone slabs, buried rocks with carvings and structures. The stone structures are astronomically aligned to the stars, including the seven-star constellation known as the Big Dipper, the Orion constellation, and the star Sirius. It is understood that Nubians utilized the Nabta Playa as a type of star map to guide themselves across the desert. Within the Nabta Playa, we find a stone circle, which it is understood was used by these Africans to mark a specific celestial event, namely the summer solstice, which is associated with the onset of summer rains. The stone circle is 4 meters in diameter and is made up of 4 pairs of stones and a series of smaller stones. Connected within the center of the circle are 2 rows of 3 stones. It is now understood that the southern row of the 3 stones represent the 3 stars of Orion's belt. Orion's belt consists of 3 very bright stars, named Al-Natakum, Al-Nalam, and Minitaka, which are between 1340 and 1200 light years away from the planet Earth. Nearby to the stone circle, the Nubians developed another larger series of stone structures from rock, some of which weigh several tons. These megaliths are understood to be aligned to the star called Alpha Ursae Majoris, which is part of the Ursa Major star constellation. The Nubians of East Africa are remembered in history as some of the earliest and most advanced astronomers on planet Earth.